Monopoly, The Lord of the Rings Trilogy Edition, How to Play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Chance and community chest cards have been replaced by people and events. Houses and hotels are replaced by strongholds and fortresses. Money is replaced by power. Properties are now Middle-earth territories. Railroads are replaced by steeds, and utilities are now staffs. During setup, place the one ring in bag end. Every time a player rolls the Eye of Sauron, move the one ring one space clockwise to the next Middle-earth territory. After moving the ring, move your own token, counting the Eye of Sauron as 1. If you land on a territory with the one ring, if that territory is unclaimed, you get it for free. But if it is owned by another player, then you must pay them double the rent. When the ring moves to Mount Doom, the game ends immediately, and the current player who rolled does not finish their turn. Now, all players add up their total value by combining all their power, the value of all their owned territories, steeds, and staffs as indicated by their purchase price printed on the board, with mortgage territories getting half that value. Also, add every one of their purchased strongholds, valued at their purchase price, and every fortress, which is valued at 5 strongholds. Add it all together, and the player with the greatest value wins.